Hi folks, today we are here to know the new job recruitment from Amazon. So in Amazon, they are offering work from home jobs and non-IT, IT tech, all the jobs from Amazon Air Pro. So first you need to go in Google Chrome and or any web browser and type Amazon Air Pro. In that you will get this one second. Job openings from Amazon registration. This one press this link. This web page is opened. On this you will get all the categories like in which field you want to go. Scroll down and you select your location, or otherwise you can scroll down and apply. Or now I will show like Bangalore, which is having more number of jobs, like near to 50 jobs is there. So in that so many job openings is there. So now I will explain like how to view the job description and apply on it. So in that, for example, take this catalog lead. In catalog lead, scroll down and about the team, you can read all these things. And what you have to see means like this one, basic qualification. So bachelor's degree is like mandatory for all the companies, like, and Excel knowledge is must. And the preferred qualification is advanced SQL knowledge preferred. So this is what they needed in this. So I will tell like freshers job, like you can apply for only catalog associate, Tron associate, customer service associate, and even they offer like work from home. Let me show you that one. See, so lead, this is from work from home, but lead means like it is having some experiences in that. Basic qualification, you can see like work experience 3+ years of successful of back end operations. And here also SQL knowledge is must, and language known as VBA Python you can use. Like for this is also senior associate catalog. It is also experience one. You have to like you have the experience about 1 year or 2 years. They ask experience on this job role. Or you can apply Evoc associate, device associate, catalog specialist also. I think it is also a good job, like for more than 4 LP. But is having 1 year of experience. So apply like associate job roles. That all are of fresher jobs only. Then see the TAT support VCC. VCC means it is a work from home job. So permanent work from home. This one ad support VCR and process associate virtual. This is also work from home. And the CMT automation analyst is like it requires SQL and it for CS backgrounds. And this new catalog quality, so this is also fresher, and this is work from home associate catalog. You can apply this. This is a work from home job. And SPS, this is also work from home. Ads content reviewer, this is also work from home. SPS work from home, this is also work from home. SPS means seller partner support. And there is the new one, like now I'm seeing this one, like previously it will be not there in this link. So this is abuse prevention ops. So let me check what it is. So oh yeah, this is also fresher job, you can apply. So rotational shift, all is weekly off, same only, you can apply this one, abuse prevention. This also fresher. So machine learning data source. For all these jobs, I will like to tell like how to apply. It's just for simple, I will show you like this piece, for example. Just go to apply. Select I am not a robot. Click next. For those who are not able to apply, like they will go to cybers for applying it, so they can apply through mobile only. So how did you find out about this job? You can give anything, like for example others, or you can give YouTube. You can give YouTube, and you have to give like a full name, email ID, or mobile number, alternate mobile number, and date of birth and gender. Citizenship is you can give India. disability if you have any disability. Otherwise, no, I don't have disability. And you should have to give the full address. Degree means like BE, BCom, BA, whatever you have done, BSc, BCA. And year of passing, you're no to the year of passing. Like for example, 2020 passed out. So I'm 2020 passed out. Like not there, you can apply any like no year of passing. If you are passed in 2015 also, you can apply. 14 also, you can apply. There's no limit in Amazon. That's the good thing. The experience, if you are fresher, you have to give like zero. Currently working, no. Notice period also can join immediately. This will give the like first priority for you because of you give and join immediately means you can give. They can consider you first. And if you are experienced one, then give monthly salary. Like for this SPS or any catalog associate, they will offer only less than like 3 LPA. So you don't give more than 30,000, 25,000. Even if you got more than that, don't mention here. Just give zero or you can talk with HR later. Okay, this is the main thing you have to like consider. Do you have any active current life? You have to give no here. Are you willing to work overtime? Yes, yes, yes. Are you willing to job that require like email? Yes, you have to give and give your PAN number. The VA Aadhaar card. Just give yes and you can get it from UADAI website. UIDAI website. Have you ever been employed at Amazon? If you are previously employed, then give yes. Then it will ask your employer ID. So then you can give. Otherwise, you can give no. And upload your resume and photo. By checking this, you submit. Then you will get a test link mail within 5 to 10 minutes in your inbox, and you can check it. Otherwise, you check in spam and everything in the mail. So later you will get the links, and within 48 hours you have to like take the test and complete the test. And test is not difficult. It's a moderate, like easy level only, but it based on the job profiles. For example, for this SPS, you will get only 2 rounds. For that is English grammar, and second one is that one English version test. In that you need to speak. Okay, guys. Like this is today. So many job opportunities in Amazon. You can use it. Thank you for listening carefully, and please subscribe my channel and share my channel. And if you have any doubt, please comment below. Thank you.